Alright, today we're going to do an unboxing video and review of the VIPERTEK Handcuffs VTS HC801-B. Okay, these are a double lock steel handcuffs. These are in black. I'll go ahead and open those up. Okay, first impression is very good. Okay, and it comes with two keys. We'll remove these keys. They are attached to the cuffs themselves, which is a good idea, so they don't get lost. These pivot nicely, or swivel I should say, nicely. Okay. 2 inches apart. Okay. As far as the links themselves, the links appear to be welded very, very well. There's no burrs, any points where anything could be snagged, anything like that. Okay, so the chain or the links are very good. Okay, click is very pronounced. Okay, so we can fit wrists as large as 3 inches across. Okay, so you can get an idea. I have a pretty big wrist, and I'm looking at about 2.5 inches. Okay, so all the way down to a wrist of, you had to, wrist size of about 1 3/4 inches. Okay, it's good variation. Okay, so 1 3/4 to 3-inch wrist. Okay, as far as the width of the wrist itself. Okay, so that's excellent. Okay, the keys themselves, basic keys, seem to be good quality. There's 2 of them. There's no rough edges, which is good. You won't be snagging these on your keychain or in your pocket. Okay, so got no rough edges, no burrs, if you will. Okay, the manufacturer does ship these apparently lightly lubricated. You can see these are very lightly lubricated. They do recommend, and I do recommend, that you lubricate these every so often. Okay, but do not use a lot of lubricant. Okay, I would use something simple like a 3-in-1. You could even use like a clean bore formula, gun conditioner formula, something like that. Use very, very little. Okay, I would take a drop of 3-in-1, and I would probably use 1 drop to lubricate both cuffs, to be honest with you. Okay, you can just use your finger, and that's about it. Okay, you're not going to want to go nuts with the oil. All right, and then I give them a good wipe down. Okay, so you don't stain your uniform or your clothing. So let's go ahead and test the cuff out. Okay, all right, cuff is excellent. Okay, very secure. Okay, bad guy is definitely not getting out of these. Okay, check the key. Okay, the release is very smooth. No issues whatsoever. Like them a lot. can see VIPERTEK is embossed. Their logo and their name is embossed or imprinted on one of the cuffs. And yeah. Very good quality. A very good example of a quality piece, especially at this price point. The finish is well done. It's almost like definitely not painted, almost like a bluing. Okay. Just what I'm doing now is I'm just checking for any burrs or sharp edges, okay, which would not be good, okay, especially for a set of handcuffs. You don't want to cause any undue harm to the person that's in custody, okay. Yeah, so these are, you can feel this, snag free. There's no burrs, and yeah, quality is excellent, especially like I said, for the price point. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to check the double lock feature on that. The single lock works fine. We can see that. Now we're going to check the double lock. To double lock the handcuff, you simply take the other end of the key, okay, and depress the plunger. Hopefully you could see that. You depress the plunger on the side of the lock. That's it. Now the swing arm should not move in either direction. Okay, so it's not moving in. Okay, can't move it in, can't move it out. Okay, it's working perfectly. Okay, so let's check it on the other side. Plunger, double locked, cannot pull in on that. Okay, so that's excellent. Okay, now we'll check to make sure that they're double locked, that we can unlock just the double lock. Okay, there you go. Okay, so we're just turning it in one direction. It unlocks the double lock. This should now be able to, there you go. Okay, now it's ready to go again. Okay, let's check the other cuff. Double locked right now. We're going to turn it to the left. That will release the double lock, and now you'll be able to move the cuffs in, ready for another emergency. These get a 5-star rating from 5-Star Armor for quality, craftsmanship, and price. Okay? Thank you for watching, and have a great day.